up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing some of my Christmas friend mail. Yeah, guys, I know it's January already, but honestly, December was just such a complete blur for me. I was insanely busy the entire month of December, so I really didn't have time to enjoy and open things up. So I'm going to do that now with you guys. So without further ado, let's see what fun things my friend sent me. Okay, guys, so I have a card from Kim, and her channel is called Kimmy's Boxes. And then I have a little package that I got from my sweet friend Karen. She does not have a channel, but I'm still going to share with you what she sent to me. So let's go ahead and start with the card from Kim. This is a P.O. box, so that is fine, but my address is not a P.O. box, so I don't want to broadcast that, but I do want to show you guys the cute little stickers that she put on the front of it. How cute is that? That is just adorable. And then she has a really cute sticker on the back. Kim is one of the few people who has my home address. So she just sent it to my home. Let's go ahead and see what Kim sent to me. Oh my goodness. Merry Christmas! It's beautiful, guys. Look, that is a beautiful card. So let's see what it says. Peace and joy to you this Christmas season. Have a wonderful Christmas. Love, Kim. She sent it to me and my little Noah. That is very sweet. Thank you so much, Kim. I really appreciate you taking the time to send this to me. Let me know that you're thinking about me during the Christmas holiday. I'm just sorry that it took me so long to open it, but I really do appreciate you sending that to me. And I do have a nice little package of goodies coming your way. I know it's way past Christmas, but I'm still going to send you the stuff. You can just put it away for another time because, I just couldn't get to send the things that I wanted to send this year. Honestly, nobody will ever understand how busy I was, and I'm not going to get into that because we are opening gifts. So now I have a package from my sweet friend, Karen. Karen and I work together. We've worked together for many years. So I am going to take it out of this bag and show you the beautiful bag that it came in. Look, yay! How pretty is that? Okay, so let's pop this open and see what beautiful things. Oh, he's so cute! I love him! Look at this, you guys! It's Captain America. Stop it right now. I mean, stop it. Just stop it right now. That is so darling, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love him. So sweet. Thank you, Karen. That is adorable. I just love it. Okay, what else do we have in here? It's so fun. Who is this guy? Oh my gosh, Groot. Groot. I couldn't think of his name, but I do know Groot. Love Groot. How fun is that? Look at this, you guys. Oh, that is so fun. They are so cute. I can't. Oh, I can't. This is so awesome, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love them. I mean, I love them. Oh wait, there's another one. Black Panther, stop it. Look, you guys. Oh, I can't. I cannot. Oh my gosh, I love them. They are so cute. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Okay, she's got something else in here. Oh wait, here's a card. Should have started with that, right? Let's open up the card here and see what it says. I can get it out of the envelope, you guys. Oh, the delay and the suspense. Okay, here we go. Oh, 2 little angels. That's beautiful. Look at that card, you guys. That is absolutely beautiful. Let's see. Amber, John, and Noah, may all your wishes come true during this festive season. Love, Karen. That is very sweet. Well, thank you, Karen. That is so awesome. Oh my gosh, it is so awesome. And there's one more thing in here, you guys. Ooh, it's breakable. Ooh, it's a candle. Okay, let's see here. I don't want to... We got some scissors. Let's just start cutting it open, you guys. She taped it good so it didn't get broken. And it did not break, Karen. You'll be happy to know that. Oh, what do we have? Lilac blossoms. I love purple, you guys. Purple is my favorite color. I'm sure the candle smells beautiful. So let's give it a smell. Oh, yes, that smells beautiful. Oh, so pretty. Well, thank you. I feel so spoiled right now. This is awesome, you guys. Thank you so much, Kim and Karen, for thinking about me this holiday season. And my sweet friend Jean did send me a package, but because I was so insanely busy during the entire month of December, I didn't pick it up and it got sent back. So she's going to resend it to me. So I'll have that to you guys later. And I do have a nice package for Jean. I also have a package I have to send out to Lois. I have tons of stuff that I need to send out to people. I'm going to be doing that probably next week, most likely. I just needed to get adjusted after the long holiday season. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed all of this stuff. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Okay, guys, so I have two not pieces. This isn't a piece. How do you say that? Hold on. Okay, guys, so I have a card, and then I have a little package from my sweet friend Karen. So, okay, no,